A6 2-litre TDI Ultra Executive. It's in fantastic condition in silver. Got a lot of extras on the car. So he's got park distance control. It's got an electric opening tailgate. Twin exhaust in the rear diffuser. The boot area is in absolutely immaculate condition with the load cover. Full leather interior. Climbing control to the rear. Electric windows. Full electric windows. Electric mirrors. And rear tailgate from the driver's seat. Let's look at the car. Got start stop. I'll do that again so you can see that go up and down. It's factory satellite navigation. Climate control, multimedia, cruise control, satellite navigation, DAB radio, media, Bluetooth connectivity as well, heated seats. It really is in stunning condition. Lovely car to drive. Folds away neatly. At DJH, we've got full dealer facilities, including finance, warranty and part exchange. If you require any further information or would like to arrange an appointment to view, please give us a call on 07503 751 005. Thank you.